Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about a rubber mallet and how to use it, and specifically, the benefits of the one I'm holding in my hand. Okay, now a rubber mallet is used for a bunch of different projects. It's actually something that is used every single day in the auto body world, but I know a lot of you are installing flooring. This particular hammer, as you can see, is two different colors. It's an ebony and an ivory, and there's a reason for that. Now, in front of me, you see, I've got a couple samples of some flooring that you may put in there. This is luxury vinyl flooring. It requires a rubber mallet. You know, you line up the grooves like this, and then when you go to bang it down, you know, you're gonna put it in place and you're gonna move along, and you gotta make sure that it goes in together. But look, see the color of this flooring? If I use a regular black rubber mallet, look at the mark that I just made on that light flooring, and guess what? Not super easy to get off. You'd be down here scrubbing all the time. With this side, I don't get that. And so this dual colored rubber mallet can be used for a bunch of different projects. And if you're putting down a light colored flooring, this should be your hammer of choice. You know, if you have other projects that require a hammer, my video on how to choose the right hammer is coming up next.